Okay, what we're going to do here is I'm going to show you how to run a report on the different opportunities you've got in your Salesforce. So from the home page, you want to find the tab at the top that says Reports and click on that. It will show you all of the recent reports that you've been looking at. To open up a new report, come along to the top right and click New Report. Now with this, it will come up with lots of different types that you can obviously run. For this, we're doing opportunities, so you can see it's there, but if we just click on opportunities, you can see all the different ones that you can have as well. We're just going to do a standard opportunities report here. So if I click on opportunities, you'll see on the right hand side, it comes up as start report. Now this will immediately come up with a preview just so you can see a limited sort of number of records, but to run in its entirety, go to the top right hand corner and click run. Then that will be finished for you. Now from there, if you want to save it, you can click here and save, or if you want to export it to sort of a CVS or an Excel file, you can do that. We're just going to click it save and click new opportunities report and save it.